Hello, I'm Tim Klenk with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana. Today we've got a 2020 Newmar Dutch Star that came to us from Newmar Service. They needed a little bit of help when we assist them with services here in Elkhart, Indiana. And I won't say the customer's name, but anyways, we've done a bunch of little upgrades, and one of his big upgrades that he wanted is more power. This has got the L9 450 XCR chassis on the Freightliner coach, and what we did is we did a power enhancement module that will give him 30% more power and up to 10 to 20% better fuel economy. So, you know, that now he loves his coach. He's been actually driving the coach around and loves the extra boost in power without having to go to the next series up to a vehicle that has like the 500 horsepower. He can literally drag off the line. It's got that much more horsepower. It makes a real big difference for him. But a few other things that we've done since then, other than a whole bunch of laundry lists of items that he was concerned with from the manufacturer. We did a Silverleaf upgrade. We did a KIB upgrade. We also did the full Oasis service. And one other item that he's added to the list right now so far is the King Air UV water filtration system. So Monday he's coming back for an RF Mogul system to replace his existing system that's really never worked for him. So we're referred to from Newmar as a authorized service facility for warranty coaches, non-warranty coaches, etc. We do everything bumper to bumper here in Elkhart, Indiana, and we're proud to represent Newmar's quality of service that they demand from this industry, and that's why we are America's #1 bumper to bumper service, collision, and renovation center. We'll catch you guys down the road as we do a few more items to this guy's coach and other Newmars. As right now we got about 15 coaches here that are Newmar coaches. So talk to you guys later. Thank you. We'll see you in.